So I'm driving around Houston, and you're pretty much only gonna catch this in Texas. Yeah. I can't even cross the street. Look at this guy right here. I'm patrolling here.
My story never changes. It's the guy or girl going to their job who's totally unhappy. The person that's going to the job really has no desire or motivation to be there.
There's been like 3 green lights already. When is my turn? Where are these people going? Is there a party? Let me ask them. Where y'all heading to? Memorial Park? All right. All week? All right.
Starts Saturday.
Saturday? Okay. Where y'all coming from?
Astoria. 110 miles away.
110 miles. Wow.
There's a parade tomorrow.
Yeah? All right, man.
There'll be over 6,000 horseback riders Memorial tonight.
Oh, tonight? I'll be there. 60,000, 110 miles. So why is the Houston police patrolling them? Imagine the sheriff making more Texas. And it's the end of the line. My turn.